Step 1. Sign up for the free website that is giving out free PayPal codes in 2022. Step 2. Type in how much money you want to receive. Step 3. Sit back, relax, and watch your PayPal send you a notification for the funds deposited. I have personally earned $3,464 in total from this website till now. How cool is that? This is literally a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The name of this amazing website is... Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my money crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. In today's video, I'll be revealing a completely new method never seen on the internet before. Once you set this up, you will keep receiving PayPal cash codes every single day. I will share a step-by-step process on how you can set this up and make this work on complete autopilot. But before I do that, I want my money crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. This site is completely free to use and does not require any upfront investment. You just need a laptop or a mobile phone with an active internet connection to start printing money using this new technique. I will be sharing the complete process that you need to follow to get PayPal codes daily. Just make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. Let me show you an example of how simple this is. Just enter a custom amount here and click on Claim this item. And voila! You just received a PayPal code worth $1,000. Now for you guys to redeem these codes, you first need to sign up on this website. The name of this website is prizerebel.com. The first thing you will notice here is that this website is giving out free PayPal cash for filling out surveys. If PayPal is not supported in your country, don't worry, I got you all covered. You can even redeem Amazon and Walmart gift cards from this website. Now let me explain you how this works. All you gotta do is sign up for a free account on this website and start earning points by completing short opinion surveys. Once you collect enough points, you can redeem them for PayPal cash codes or hundreds of other gift cards offered by them. This website is verified and trusted by a lot of services, as you can see here. Over 12 million users are currently using this website and getting paid every single day. A lot of people have even shared stories about their rewards. Once you get your first paycheck, you will be able to buy everything that has been waiting on your wish list. For the people who don't want to fill surveys to make money, I have a secret tip for you guys. Just keep watching this video to find out. Also, I want you guys to comment down below. What country would you like to go for a vacation this Christmas? I might send you free flight tickets for that location. Now I want you to head back to prizerebel.com and create a new account on the website. Once you are finished signing up, log into your account. This will take you to your dashboard that will look like this. Once you are on this page, I want you to hover over the Earn tab on the top and then select Offer Walls. This will take you to a new page where you can see different offers available. They provide a lot of options like from Peanut Labs, AdGate, and many more. Start exploring all of these different sections and select a job that you like. You can complete different kinds of tasks and start earning points. For the people who don't want to fill surveys, you can pursue a lot of different options like downloading apps, taking a quiz, and much more. This website also hosts $1,000 giveaways very frequently, so don't miss out on those. To participate in these giveaways, select Contests under the Win tab on the top. You will be taken to this page where they announce all of their upcoming contests. Don't forget to participate in these contests and win free money. Earn maximum number of points in the mentioned time frame and win the contest. It's literally that simple. Ways of making money on this website are not over, guys. If you select Raffle under the Win tab, you will find out that they also host raffles every single day, meaning you can get all of these gift cards daily if you put in the time. As you can see in today's raffle, they are giving away gift cards worth $10 all the way up to $50. Imagine making $100 every single day from this website. Your life can completely change if you start using this website daily. I know everything that I mentioned till now is so amazing that you guys can't wait to try this out. But for my money crushers, who just want more out of everything. I have the most amazing chance to make money for you. Now, if you want to make free PayPal money while you are sleeping or dancing at a party, for that, all you need to do is to come over to the Invite tab on the top and then select Earn with Referrals. Now you can sit back and watch your earnings grow every single day. They offer a 15% bonus for every single person you refer to their platform. Just copy your referral link and share it on all of your social media platforms, and your job is done. I will be waiting for all you successful stories in the comments. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.